Right, pasta. It's a very fine spaghetti. It's already cooked, so we're just reheating it. Yes, in literally 30 seconds. Onto the hot plate, let's go. OK, parsley running through. There, top of the plate. Fresh pasta. Caponata. On. The veal goes on. If you make 50 portions like that...
Boys, we've got to do it, man.
You will have the biggest comeback ever, OK?
Boys.
Right, vinaigrette, watch. Wait. Away, and then just go.
Come on, boys.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, burning.
All right, Steph, olive oil.
Yes,
Chris,
chef.
2 veal away, table 9.
They need the olive oil.
Let's go, Chris.
Yes.
Yeah.
4 veal away. Let's go.
Wait, Chris, we're not fucking this up, all right?
Come on. We've got 2 veals coming.
You have to season it first, yeah?
Season the veal. Sorry, chef.
You have to season the veal, that's right, yeah.
Sorry, chef. Don't put the butter on it until we wait till the first side cooks. Oh, you cock. Wait,
Steph, just wait.
Just relax.
Just wait, bro.
Not until the first side cooks.
Is that right?
Have you tasted it, little Chris?
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Are the capers in there?
I want this more than it.
No.
No.
Sorry. It's not ready. Flip your thing, bro. Flip your veal, bro. We're burning it.
Where's the veal on that one?
Guys, you know,
give me them.
can we fucking watch the pans, please? They're all on fire now, yes? Guys? Oh, they're fucking... I mean, this is a joke. This is an insult to catering.
Chris, where's the caponata? Where'd you put it?
What do you mean? I haven't touched it. I'm just dealing with the veal.
Where's my
Can we
plate?
clean the plate then, guys? At least show that you care a little fucking bit, yeah? Service, please. I told you table 8, yes? Let's go. Down. Thank
Boys,
you.
man. Oh.
Go. Steph.
Yes, chef. Ready to go, yeah?
Bro, I told you, but flip it earlier.
Why is the fucking gas on
Wait,
tonight?
come on, you lot! Come on, why are you... Steph, give me the listen. Start again. Boys,
Guys, the whole restaurant's full of smoke. JB, open the fucking windows, yeah, before the customers choke to death, yeah? Please?
Done.
It didn't need to be that fucking hard. Seriously? Did not need to be that hard. Clear down, guys.
The veal is quite soggy, so it's not got that kind of nice, light crispiness around it. It's quite wet and a bit sort of stodgy on the plate.
I like the capers and the olives with the veal. It was really nice, yeah. I'd definitely have it again.
I'm not particularly enjoying it. It's the veal is woefully soggy. It's like a piece of like wet Brillo pad.
Results, yes? Main course, let's go quickly. Right, Steph, how do you think you did?
I don't think we did that badly. 25, 30.
And that's not bad for you?
Well, after the 14, I don't think 25 or 30 is bad.
Let's see, main course. OK, out of 50, how many customers paid for the main course? 21. What? Decided to pay. Fuck me. That's not bad. That's shit.